Vitex is the market leader in Greece for architectural paints and construction materials. Our main offices and factories are located in Aspropyros near Athens, where the company operates 2 advanced production facilities and 3 facilities for plasters, mortars and bituminous waterproofing products. With subsidiaries in Serbia and Bulgaria and with exports in more than 20 countries, Vitex is committed to innovation, sustainability and delivering superior quality. We have worked with Oliver and Batlle for many years. Our latest project together was a fully automated production line for ready-to-use plasters for the Vitex Therm Ethics system, which started operating in 2022. This high-capacity line produces 33 tons of product per shift and helps Vitex keep a strong position in the external insulation market. From Oliver and Batlle, we use a full production line for Granite plasters. It includes a high-performance disperser, let-down tanks, additive tanks, feeding and transfer units, and a modern packaging machine. We also have several automatic packaging machines for water-based and solvent-based paints, and a special mixer and packaging system for putty. We are very happy with our partnership with Oliver and Batlle. Their complete approach, offering reliable equipment, strong technical support, and ongoing help to improve our facilities has played a big role in our success. Working with a partner that combines know-how, quick response, and innovative solutions helps Vitex operate efficiently and build long-term value.